Hello, Year Nines. I just wanted to touch bases with you and say hello and wish you well for the second part of your topic on chemical change. Now, I wanted to explain to you why I'm not at school at the moment. I have what's called a splenia, which is basically means that I don't have a spleen. Some people are born without a spleen. I actually lost mine when it ruptured in a horse riding accident. I didn't actually lose it. The surgeons had to take it out because it was so badly damaged. I was galloping with my pony. I was 10 years old. Unfortunately, the pony actually did a shy, and I ended up banging into some metal. From there, I went in an ambulance, and the surgeons at the Princess Margaret Children's Hospital actually had to take my spleen out. Now, with this virus, the Education Department and the government has said it is best for me to work at home. So what I do is I actually send the lessons to Miss Finch, and she does the lessons, and I book the equipment and the experiments with Katrina, and she goes into the room and helps you with those, so that there is Miss Finch and Katrina in the room at the same time. Now, the other thing I have to tell you is that I have actually checked your booklets. Oh, you might say. Actually, I was really, really happy with the way you'd done them. There was a few people just a couple, who maybe need to put a little bit more effort in. But other than that, there were so many that were absolutely outstanding, and that people have really tried hard to do a very good job. And I just wanted to say thank you for that, because I really appreciate it. I've met Miss Finch yesterday, and she's such a bright, cheerful, enthusiastic teacher that I really feel at ease that somebody is looking after you so well and actually cares about how you're going. So please continue working hard. Please keep trying as much as you can. Science is going to solve the problem to this virus, and that's why science is so important. A few students have said to me earlier this year, why is science important? Why do we have to do science? Well, the reason is now we need those scientists. We need to let people who can do science do it, let those people who are interested in it learn more about it. Science is going to get us out of the problem. They'll find a cure or a treatment for COVID-19, and that's what we all want to happen. Now, what is life like when I'm here at home working remotely? It's actually a little bit dull in the fact that I don't have anybody to speak to much, but I do have two gorgeous fluffy companions, and I thought I'd introduce one of them to you today. This is my gorgeous Millie, and she's just here. She's just coming around the corner, and she's just about to say hello. She's not really looking at the screen at the moment. She says, no, I don't really want to. She can wave. She's very good, so she'll give you all a nice wave. But she is my little sweetheart, and together we are going to get through COVID-19, and we're going to look forward to seeing you guys sometime this term, maybe next term, but sometime when all these numbers drop, we're all going to be seeing each other again. And I'm really looking forward to that, because I think you are a great group of students. In the meantime, I want to say take care and enjoy yourself. Look after Miss Finch. She's doing a brilliant job, and she's trying all these experiments with you. Look after Katrina for me, because we all need Katrina. She's an absolutely beautiful person too. Okay, take care, Year Nines, and I wish you well. We'll talk to you again. Thank you. Bye.